It's always good to see monopoly being challenged. And now the monopoly of Twitter is being challenged by Mark Zuckerberg, who is the owner of Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp. Meta, which is a parent company, is teaming ahead with the plans to create a social network platform that would be similar to Twitter. Meta's take on the social media platform is becoming reality very fast, as they are trying to attract more and more hotshots to this new platform to try it out. And then I believe that very soon they are going to launch it in the media, that these personalities have already been part of their pilot program of the new platform. This new platform is being touted as Twitter alternative because people are saying that Elon Musk's approach towards Twitter is not really good, as someone even said it that it is being run by a literal slave driver, which is I think a bit too extreme, but still I think many people are not happy with Elon Musk's approach with Twitter since he have bought it. So this new project, which is building a new social media platform like Twitter, is being called as Project 92, which is a code name internally. I'm sure that this won't be the name when it is released. So this Project 92 is already gaining a lot of attention in the media, and you will be hearing from Facebook or Meta very soon around this project. The personalities or celebrities which already have been asked to get enrolled into this new platform include Dalai Lama and Oprah Winfrey and few others. The reason behind building this new platform, according to Mark Zuckerberg, is that they wanted to have a sanely run platform, which is, I think, a hit at Elon Musk's the way he's running Twitter. But anyway, then another good thing from the technical perspective is that this new standalone app, which will be the which will be like Twitter, will be based on Instagram, and it will be integrated with ActivityPub. The ActivityPub is a decentralized social media protocol. So I believe that this will be very exciting. We don't have any release date yet, but some technical pundits are saying that this might get released early in 2024 or maybe as early as later this year in the second half. So stay tuned. All in all, I think it will be a good addition. It will really put new life into Twitter. So because then there will be a competitor. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you have any feedback or if you know anything which I have missed in this video, please put in the comment section. Thank you very much.